I have here a list of maker spaces, and I hope that people who are working there can really join us online. This will be the first challenge. Will they join us online? Well, we had a technical test on Friday. So I call Makerspace A in Amstetten Andreas Mader, Günther Sterlike, who joins online, and Rosemarie Pichler from Net for Future. Andreas, maybe you could just tell us if you are here online. Oh, wonderful. Here he is. Perfect. So, hello, wonderful. Well, it's Günther Sterlike, my colleague, Gerald Kastenhofer, and here we are here in the Makerspace A. Yes, and I will show you what we have prepared. We have prepared a few rooms. Well, it's the classical mechanical processing. We have wood processing. Well, then we have different electronic labor laboratories. We have a laser cutter, a foil cutter, a three-dimensional printer, and well, you probably will not work with clay, so we don't need that, but we also have the possibilities. So we have available a lot of things. Great, Andreas. And for cooling, we can only offer you, we only cool drinks. We have no air conditioning in that hall. Yes, but I think you have quite big fridges and a lot of drinks inside. Would you like to welcome? Would you like to say a few words to our community? Maybe good morning from Amstetten. I'm happy that we are here in this great format. We would be happy to welcome a few people here, and I wish you all the best from Amstetten. Thanks, Günther. Thanks, Andrea. Great presentation. And I just wanted to add that the Makerspace Amstetten is available with agreement with us. You saw the rooms, you saw the possibilities to get results. Please tell us at the community chat tool if you want to go to Amstetten, so that we can just agree the presence in Amstetten, because colleagues are not permanently there. I would like to ask Rosemarie Pichler to give us a few introductory words. Rosemarie Pichler, are you here? Rosemarie obviously that did not yet join us. Maybe we will have that later. And then now I go on with the rail chat to the west, to Linz, to the so-called Tabakfabrik. And when it's true what I have written there, there is Andreas Klist and Christoph Weiermair and maybe Julia Flatt of Tributech. Maybe they can tell us what is available in the Tabakfabrik Linz. Well, good morning of the Tabakfabrik Linz. Julia Flatt is in the background at the technique, but here we have Patrick Lamplmair of Tributech. And it's quite hot here already. It's 30 degrees outside, but inside it's quite cool. We are here in the Tabakfabrik. It's a very nice store and a stock, and here we have good conditions. Patrick, maybe you can explain what's happening today. Yes? Together with Magenta in Infineon, we join Industry Meets Makers, and here in Linz, we have a sensoric IOC and make this available. We have the experience of biotech and Tributech, and to find sustainable IT solutions. And well, some are already here. We are trying to establish everything and start our experiments. And in the Tabakfabrik, we also have access to Makerspace on Orange if this is necessary. So if it's necessary, you can also do soldering works. Everything is available. Everything is prepared for an exciting week. Thanks a lot. Well, an exciting week. Thanks for this first start. Of course, we will go back to the Tabakfabrik Linz when we have our briefings, because Tributech is doing one of these briefings, and what is offered in that challenge is really interesting if somebody wants to join. Let's go on to Hallwang at Salzburg. I'm calling Florian Reininger, who really had a wonderful setup last year, not only making and creativity and working, but also he had a great event in the evening. Florian, we are now concentrating. What are you offering for the challenges? We will talk later about the evening's event. Florian, you are here. Your community. Tom, thanks for moderating. Of course, we are joining. We have a space which we make available. It's about 6,000 square meters. And like all other spaces, you have laser cutter, three-dimensional printer. What we do, what we do is takes time. These frogs are sometimes very, very nasty. So now, Florian, whenever you are ready. Thanks, it's fine. Well, today, together with the university, we have a look at IOC challenge. They will come. Now we have the seminary room prepared already where the working will take place. Today we are evaluating in which direction do we work, and next days we start building. And there is also a discussion round or a panel discussion. Maybe Sandra knows now about that. I can tell you 2 words. Thank you, Florian. At 1 o'clock, who is interested in IoT, there will be a deep dive session, and which is a good preparation for the IoT challenge we have in the bootcamp. And now let's go on to Carinthia, to the Makerspace Carinthia. Here we welcome Thomas Moser, and he can talk about his possibilities. And also in the Makerspace Carinthia, we will have a direct connection. Thomas, we're here? Yes, hello. Yes, you can hear me. Well, wonderful morning from Klagenfurt, from Makerspace Carinthia. Here we are in our co-working space. Here is a team of the University Villach, and also Jürgen, who will give us a briefing. And of course, we have the co-working space, and we made available this to Makerspace, everything which is necessary. And just milling or electronics, soldering, you can use everything. And we are looking forward to an interesting week. We wish you all the best. I wanted to go around, but the video, it does not work, so I cannot show it with video. Then people have to go there in person and find out which possibilities you offer. Thomas said already, well, we are cooking in the Makerspace, not because it's so hot, no, but because here we have a special challenge. Let's go back to Vienna. And here we have a very short time change. It was the Makerspace of Maker Austria. This has changed now on short-term notice. We are going now to the Happylab, and we are very happy that Happylab is supporting us. Well, here the representatives of Happylab are not present in this introduction round, but I can tell you what we have available: three-dimensional printer, laser cutter, CAOT, milling machines, wood processing machines. So there is nothing in Happyland which you could miss. So you can be as creative as you want. And also Happylab, it's the same with Makerspace in Amstetten. Please tell us when you go there. Tell us community industry meets makers.com. Tell us when you want to work at Happyland. Rooms are reserved for you tomorrow and also the day after tomorrow. Here can work together and work on our challenges. And of course, you can also do this in University St. Pölten. Also here, their laboratories are available, reserved for our event.